Ready now. Uh-oh. Do this right. Dip it in the soap.
Get caught.
Alright. That's all soapy. Now we gotta spray it off and dry it.
Don't talk it.
Ooh, clean car. Okay, now your turn.
Ew, clean.
Do it.
They got college.
Yeah.
They got college, baby. You get rough. Well, you get rough.
Okay.
Got college rough.
All right.
We cool it out of here.
Now you gotta put it in here. And drive it through to the soapy water.
Oh, Mom.
Let me help you. Alright, can we jump it in there?
Look at colors.
Okay, now we gotta spray it clean.
Good cop.
Rinse it. Now we gotta dry it. Clean car.
You get out.
Alright.
Good colors.
Yep. Keep doing it.
Get out.
Alright, got all the dirt off. Now run it through that other one.
You kick Wawa.
Yep, dump it in there.
Oh.
Drop it in there.
Okay. Wow, yeah, poop. Whoa.
Hey. Alright, Mom, spray it off.
Color. The blue
Now
color.
I gotta dry it off.
Good colors.
3 clean cars.
Oh, yeah. Go. Ew, car.
Alright, you better dip it in the soap.
Ew, got colors.
You better dip it in the soap.
Keep your car. Car. Cool colors. Uh-oh.
I'll help you. Here, you gonna come over here and do this part? Dip it in the soap.
Okay.
Here. Alright, now come over here.
Huh?
Here, we can move the chair. Okay, now get it out of the soap. Now spray it off.
How? The
Alright, good job.
car.
Yep. Okay, now how many cars do we have?
Here.
1, 2. Very good.
A car.
Hey.